So let's start with the basics. What is sugar? Sugar is a natural ingredient that has always been part of our diet. All sugars are carbohydrates that are found naturally in most foods that provide energy for our body. However, nowadays, sugars are also added to a lot of foods to enhance their taste, texture, and flavors. These are also known as free sugars. If you carefully read the food label, most of the processed foods we consume contain sugar. And no, companies will not just list it down as sugar, but rather hide behind scientific names such as sucrose, fructose, glucose, molasses, invert sugar, or corn syrup. There are now estimated to be around 60 different names for these free sugars. Hence, it is very important for you to read the food labels and know how to identify sugar. You might be thinking, I don't eat that much sugar. Well, the truth is you might be consuming sugar without even realizing it. So here are top 5 signs you might just be addicted to sugar. The first sign is you eat sugary foods past the point you intended. Imagine this scenario. I really want to treat myself to that nice slice of cake. Oh gosh, it tastes so good. Maybe I shouldn't. Do you know what? Maybe just one more slice. Oh, it's so good! Before you know it, you have treated yourself to 5 slices and you still want more. You feel extremely guilty and regretful immediately afterward. Second sign, you crave simple carbs. Sugar addiction isn't just about sweets. All carbs turn into sugar in our body. So even if you don't have a sweet tooth, but if you crave simple carbs such as pretzels, biscuits, pastries, pasta, or even white bread, then what you're really craving is sugar. Hence, even if you feel full and satisfied from a really healthy meal, you still want to snack on simple carbs. The third sign, you crave meat or salty foods. You might be wondering, what? That has nothing to do with sugar. It's important to know that a healthy body always strives towards balance. So if you find your body craving for a lot of meat or salty foods, this may be a sign that your body is seeking balance due to the large sugar intake. The next sign is you eat yourself sick on sugary foods. Have you ever eaten so many cookies that you experience one or more of these symptoms? Headaches, gas, bloating, or sleepiness? If so, those are symptoms of a sugar hangover. You do this to yourself a few times a week, if not every day, and you feel extremely crappy afterwards. To you, the short-term pleasure of eating that cakes, chocolates, or sweets are worth the unpleasant after effects. The final sign is you're going through withdrawal. You have told yourself, I'm going to quit sugar, and that's exactly what you did. But before you know it, you experience immediate withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, low energy, and even mood swings. The next thing, you're back snacking on sugary foods just to make you feel better. If you say yes to 4 out of 5 of these signs, you might just be addicted to sugar. Let's look at the difference between natural sugars and added sugars. Natural sugars are present in foods such as fruits, vegetables, and also milk. They are part of the whole food and contain protein or fiber. On the other hand, added sugar, also known as free sugars, are sweeteners that do not occur naturally in a whole food, but rather they're intentionally added by manufacturers to enhance the taste and texture of a product. Added sugars are empty calories and contain no nutrients whatsoever. They do more harm than good to your body. It's important to know that our body does not distinguish between the different types of sugar and breaks them down in exactly the same way, whether it's natural or added. Saying that, however, foods containing natural sugars like fruits have beneficial nutrients such as fiber, which will aid your digestion and keeps you full. So eating a piece of fruit will not cause your blood sugar level to spike. in comparison to drinking a can of soda. Overall, you will still need to control the total amount of sugar, whether it's natural or added, because excess amount of sugar in your liver can lead to health problems. Like this video and share this video with a friend whom you think might have an addiction with sugar. Do also check out more videos right here which will help you through your fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more new videos every Monday and Thursday, and hit the notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best!